Lee, here at Chemnitz Heckert machines, the HEC1800 which we're standing on, it's the biggest in your range. What's the main benefits?
Well, we're standing on the skeleton of the machine. Firstly, it's a fully enclosed machining centre, so it's a very safe machining operational area. It's a 1.8 metre table, 3.4 metre swing, so quite large components, and a 13-tonne table weight. So for a machining centre, it gives us a lot of capability of the kind of parts we can machine.
Lee, the spindle behind us, it's not a standard spindle from Heckert, is it?
It is a standard option from Heckert, but a standard spindle comes in either a gear form or a motor form. This is what we call a traversing spindle or a quill. So you can see that the spindle is actually extended up to 3/4 of a metre. So what you have is a very, very stiff unit. You can get down inside a component and either bore, drill or even heavy mill with a very short tool. So big advantages on rigidity for the customer.
And stability?
It's all about bigger, deeper, faster cuts.
When you look inside this system here, you've got a big tool changer with a robotic system. Is that the automation process?
Well, it's the automation of tool handling, and there's different systems. So what we've got here is a multiple tower system, 90 tools in each tower, and to take the tools from the tower into the spindle, we use a sliding robot system. We've then got some extra 15 tool buffers on this machine to negate the customer from buying an extra tower. He can just buy some buffers. It's a very economical system for handling a high volume of tools.
So with this type of machine, it's a standard machine to a certain extent, but the possibilities are endless.
They are endless, and you can mount this machine either on a flat floor, as this is today. You can mount it in a pit so that the pallets are nearer the ground for ergonomic purposes. You can mount them as standalone. You can link them into FMS systems or into the rail systems with multiple pallets.
So I suppose the key benefits to this machine is the flexibility of what you can actually offer to the marketplace and the customer.
Well, it is, and it really depends on what the customer's looking for. A lot of people who buy this type of machine want a lot of flexibility and a lot of future-proofing, so they'll build additional capability in. Other people will come to us with a specific job and build a machine around a specific job.
I've noticed on this specific machine you've got the hide and hang control. Can you have other configurations?
We can. It's very customer dependent, so we offer hide and hang, we offer Fanuc, we offer Siemens.
And yet again, looking at other modules, can you put other swarf systems on this?
Well, swarf's a very important part, so as you can see from all our machines, they're very much built so that we can evacuate swarf very quickly. On this particular machine, we've got two huge swarf conveyors to get rid of the chips and evacuate the system very quickly.
And when you look at the type of customers which would be in the market for this, what sort of sectors would they be?
Well, it could be in any sector really, so anybody that's cutting large, high quality, high accuracy components, and they're looking for some productionization, automation. We've got 3 pallets on this machine. There's a number of different spindle options, including horizontal, vertical and swivel heads, a number of different ways that we can handle and store tools, and a number of different systems that we can deliver coolant. So it's a very versatile modular structure that we've got with this machine.